Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-28 rear axle box bearing of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. Let's continue building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. And we're going to be working on the part 128 rear axle box bearing. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to go from the top this time. I know you can do that in one go, but I'm so used to doing it that way. Okay, so we're going to start off with a cylinder. Actually, no, we're not. We're going to start off with a half circle. One there. And actually, you know what? I'm going to do measurement first in this one. Where's that one? That is 50. Yes, it is. It's 50. Hold on. No, that's 25. It's diameter 50, but radius 25. That's the outside one. Then it's going to be inside, which doesn't give a measurement. Doesn't give a measurement. 3 by looks. Just see something that's 5 and it's a bit narrower, so we're going to do the offset. Grab that one, and it's going to be 3 mil, and done. There we go. Whoop, hold on. Once you do it, you can't change it. And done. There we go. Oh, dang it. Try again. I don't want the arc on the line. And done. There we go. And that is going to be 25 high. Screwed out. I'm just going to leave the base there this time, so 25 and done. Now let's do this one. Let's normalize it. There's sketch it, and then we're going to do the same. So it's going to be from there to there. Oh, not that way. Yep, that way. There. What's that dot there? What's that dot? Interesting. Then we're going to do another one. It's going to be a little bit easier this way. There. And that's going to be radius, diameter 60, so it's going to be 30. There's now join up that dot to that dot, and that's what I thought, something to line up there. No worries. Let's go this line, the point, the vertex, sorry, not line. So 4 points, and done. Beautiful. And that is going to be 5. So not smart, sorry, extrude. 5, no, 5. Yep, perfect. And done. And then we just got to bevel a little edge off, so fill it. That one. Probably do that 1 mil. And done. Yep, that looks good. And that's all there is to that one. Why we got a line there and there? Ooh, hold on. How the heck? Got a mistake here somewhere. How the heck do I do that? What do? Do that one. No. What plane do I do? Oh, do it on the front one. Doesn't matter. Okay, so let me open up that one. No, it's extrude. I didn't want extrude. Sorry. I want the sketch. Let's make sure this is parallel. Yes, it is. Oops, that one wasn't. Yeah, something's definitely out. So it's going to be... Oh, not that one. Oh, thank you. So it's going to be probably this one. Let's have a look at this one. There we go. Exit. There we go. Yeah, it wasn't lined up the center there. So it's good to make mistakes because you can see how it changes. Because the reason I knew something's wrong, there should not be. There's no line there. That's how it should be. So that's done. So that one is done. So thank you for coming along. What we do, let's save. This was part 1-28 and done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Hope you enjoyed the series. So definitely can't wait to start putting. We're going to start putting chassis together very shortly. I think we have got, I think one more piece. No, two more, and then we can start putting together, I think. So it's getting close. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, click that like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thank you for new subscribers, and thank you for everyone that subscribed. Thank you so much. Got any questions, comments, or just want to say hi? Drop in the comment section below. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. And thank you for watching. And remember, thank you very much.